Welcome to Tally Help videos. The 56th GST Council meeting has proposed bringing most goods and services under 5% and 18% except luxury and demerit goods. With Tally Prime, you can bulk update GST rates for stock groups, items, or ledgers using the GST rate setup and set an effective date for implementation. Let us see how to change GST rates for multiple accounting ledgers at a time. Press Alt-G, type or select GST rate setup, and press Enter. Select ledgers from the list of masters and press Enter. You will see all the ledgers grouped tax rate-wise. As you may be aware, in Tally Prime you can define GST details at various levels. If you want to know where the GST rate is specified for the ledger, press F12 and set the option Show Source of GST Details to Yes. As you can see, the GST details are defined in the same ledger master. Identify all the ledgers for which you want to change the rate. Let us say you want to change the rate of all ledgers with 12% and update it to 5%. Place the cursor on the 12% tax rate header and press Enter to drill down. Here you will find all the ledgers under the selected tax rate. Press Ctrl plus spacebar to select all the ledgers. Press Alt-S or click Update GST Details. The Update GST Details sub-screen opens with the fields to update HSN and GST rates. Since we want to update only the GST rate and not affect the HSN details, we need to set the option Provide HSN SAC Details to No. This will ensure that the current HSN SAC details set for each ledger is not affected. In the GST rate details field, select the option Specify Details here. This implies that the tax details are configured at the respective master level, which in this case is the ledger. Now, go to the GST rate field. You will notice that there is no rate shown as we have selected multiple ledgers. Specify the new GST rate you want to apply to all the selected ledgers. Press Enter. Select New Effective Date. This will be the date from which the new rate comes into effect, and Tally begins applying the new rate from the date set here. Press Ctrl-A to save the changes. The GST rate has changed for the ledgers, and the new rate will be applied in all transactions recorded with these ledgers, starting from set effective date. In case only a few ledgers under a group need update, you can select the respective ledgers one by one using space bar and update the GST rate. Let us now see the steps to update the rate for stock items. Go to GST rate setup. Select Stock Items and press Enter. You can see all the stock items grouped tax rate-wise. Let us look at all the items under 12%. Go to the header row of 12% and press Enter. Some of these items are moving to 5%, some to 18%, and rest are getting exempted. If the majority of items are moving to 5%, select all items, press Ctrl plus spacebar. To exclude items not moving to 5%, place the cursor on such item and press spacebar to unselect. To change the rate of selected items, press Alt-S. Set the option Provide HSN SAC Details to No. This ensures that we are not altering the existing HSN details of the selected items. In the GST rate details field, select the option Specify Details here. Enter the GST rate. Select New Effective Date option and enter the applicable date for the rate change. Save the changes. As you can see, the selected items have moved from 12% tax rate section. Now, let us move eligible items to 18%. Select the items whose new tax rate is going to be 18%. Press Alt+S. Set the option Provide HSN SAC details to know. In the GST rate details field, select the option Specify details here. Enter the GST rate. Enter new effective date and save the changes. The items have moved from here and to 18% group. Some 12% items have now been made exempt. Let us make that change. Select those items that are now going to be exempt from tax. Press Alt+S, disable HSN. Select Specify details here for GST rate details. Under taxability type, select Exempt. Enter the effective date and save the changes. The items are updated and moved to exempt tax section in the report. Items with 12% tax rate have been moved to new tax rates like 5%, 18% and exempt based on the rate changes from GST Council. You can also update the GST details at stock group level. Open the GST rate setup for stock groups. As you can see, there are multiple groups with same tax rate. You can update all such groups at once. Select the stock groups, which are now going to be in same tax rate category, using the space bar. Press Alt+S or click Update GST Details. Set the option Provide HSN SAC details to know. Select Specify details here in the GST rate details field. Update the rate in the GST rate field and press Enter. Select New Effective Date and enter the date from which the new rate comes into effect. Save the changes. The GST rate has changed for the stock groups. Press Alt F1, Detailed Mode, to view the item-wise information for all the groups. Now, if you have created a GST classification master and used it to implement GST details across your ledgers or items, you can update the tax rate for the classification from GST rate setup. Navigate to the stock item where the source of GST rate is the GST classification. Press Alt-H or click Update Source Details to update the GST details at the source, that is, the GST classification. Under the Update the GST details of source, for the classification, change the GST rate, specify effective date, and save the changes. You can see that the GST rate has been updated in the classification, and all the stock items using tax details from the GST classification have moved to the new tax rate category. Also, if you have only one rate for all the goods or services handled by your business, you can specify or alter the GST rate in the Company Features screen and use the Company Master as the source of GST details in all masters. As you can see, TallyPrime lets you update GST rates for multiple ledgers, stock items, or groups in bulk, with effective dates for smooth application. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.